Dipalo repair test, September 26, 2024. Ambient air temperature about 88 degrees. Shingle temperature 155 degrees. We have our control area set up here away from the vent that we're attempting to repair to show the condition of the shingles. Really not a lot of loose granules or anything. Tools being used, standard pry bar with a low tooth so we can keep a low angle so we're not creating any creasing. This is the vent that we're going to attempt to replace. Marked by the numbers are really no sequential order or anything, but these are the potentially affected shingles during the replacement of this vent. And a lot of them are marked as well on the top because the ridge cap's gonna have to come off because the nail zone is all the way up the sides as well as along the top. So we're gonna have to get all those nails out in order to remove this vent. All right, I'm gonna set this phone down here. Try to aim it at what we're doing. And during this repair attempt, I'll be attempting to document any potential damage with the iPad here, which we'll send along as well. Let's get started. So I'll go ahead and start by getting the nails out of the bottom here. Looks like there's just two of them. Out pretty easy. You see it's still well fastened down, which means there's probably nails up here. And actually I forgot, I've already been here. I took the two nails out that were up here out last time I was here. Still very well fastened down. Just got to get to the nails up here. And I'll go ahead and take pictures of the nails that I had already removed.